everyone! Welcome back to our channel. And today is... What time is it, love? Time check is...
in the afternoon.
In the evening. Sorry. So, 7 o'clock in the evening na. And then, we are going... As you can see, we are wearing our walking outfit. Tadaan! Ayan, naka-walking outfit kami. Kasi, papakita ko sa inyo yung harap. We are going to walk around the lake. Start na naman kami ng aming exercise, guys. Daily walking. And this is our first day. Yan, nagmamonkey bar si Sam. So this lake, guys, is they call it Henley Lake. I don't know why they call it Henley Lake, but it's quite a big lake. And it is only close to where we live, close to our house. Only walking distance, siguro mga 2 minutes walk. Yeah, 2 minutes walk from our house. So, ayan guys, makikita nyo naman maraming mga, how do you say it, love? Ducks. Ayan. Ducks, yan. Iikutin lang namin tong lake na to. Yan, ikot ka lang doon. Siguro mga 2 kilometers or 3. I'm not sure. So it's 7 o'clock. Siguro magtataka kayo why the sun is still up.
It's summer.
Kasi summer na, guys. Summer na. Kapapasok lang ng summer dito sa New Zealand. So mahaba yung araw. Lulubog yung araw. The sunset usually is mga 9 o'clock yata. 9 o'clock in the evening. Yon, magdidilim na siya. Tapos yung sunrise naman niya is really early. Like 5 I think 5 o'clock. Yon, nagsa-sunrise na. Yan. Mataas pa yung araw, matirik. She's a bit shy. Oh, she's not, so you can say anything you want now.
Happy holidays.
Happy holidays. Merry Christmas, everyone. Ayan yung aking model. Hi, Sam! So, dadaan lang tayo dito sa maliit na bridge. What are you doing? Halika na! Let's go na! Ayan, ang daming puno. Sumasayaw yung mga dahon. Kasi ang sarap ng simoy ng hangin. Ayan.
Can I ask them this question?
What question? Huh? Hold up. Oh! Nagtatanong si Sam if someone knows what it's like to be an army. Kasi her dream is to become a US Navy or US Army. So I don't know if she can do that. She's so soft.
No, Mom, I'm not soft.
You are, sweetie.
Dude!
So I said to her she need So I said to her she need to be tough.
Mom, it's not a US Army or US Navy, it's a military.
I know, but you still have to go through hard training.
True.
Yan yung lake. Meron siya mga maliliit na island sa lake. Ayan. So parang almost halfway na tayo, guys. Ang nakakalungkot lang dito, guys, pag summer, hindi kami madalas experience ng rain. So what happened to the lake? Nagda-drought siya. Hindi naman totally drought, pero konti na lang yung water na naiiwan. So parang kawawa yung mga ducks. May fish din kasi dito, kawawa din yung mga fish. Yun, so yun lang ang problema pag summer. Ito yung lake, guys. Tapos dito sa kabilang side, meron pa rin siyang walking trail. Pwede ka pa rin umikot doon. Nag-shortcut lang kami. Dito lang talaga kami, around the lake lang talaga. Kasi, we only wanna do a short walk today. Ayan, halfway na kami. Dito na tayo sa kabilang side. Ayan, taas pa rin ng araw. Tapos dyan, guys, nakikita nyo yung mga sasakyan. Main road yan.
And,
naka-fence naman siya, kaya safe. And sometimes what, love?
Sometimes through that gate over there, that path leads.
Yeah.
Cars would come in here they would park here. Some men would
Oh,
like,
yeah,
get,
there's a
like,
gate.
speedboats there.
Oh,
Like
yeah.
small, like remote control speedboats.
Yeah.
Me and Dad were watching it.
Yeah, because some people during the weekend, not every weekend, but some weekend people come over here, and then they do like some people like
Racing
kayaking.
and stuff.
They practice kayaking, and then they do what do you call it, love? Racing?
Racing with like
Yeah.
remote control.
Dito. So, may gate doon banda. Tapos makakapasok yung mga car. Dito sila allowed na mag-park sa grass. Tapos kaya maraming mga ano dito, picnic benches.
People would have picnics here, yes.
Yeah. Ganda ng view. We went for a walk here like couple of months ago. And then we saw a fish here. Ang laki ng fish niya.
It was colorful.
Dito, ganun lang yung takbo niya, oh, ganyan. Napaka-slow. Wala, nag-i-enjoy lang siya sa kanya. Nag-i-enjoy lang siya sa kanyang swimming. Yan yung bridge.
We're not ducks with nests.
Ang daming, ducks. Marami ding eel dito, guys.
Oh, yeah.
Umalis sila sa tubig.
Mama, is there a precise... Oh, no, wait, no.
Yeah.
Papa.
Who's that?
Dad!
Hello, darling! Sinundan tayo ni Abby. You've been for a push bike ride already. You should have told us and we should have just, do a push bike ride. Ikaw talaga, madaya ka talaga eh. Sana nag-push bike na lang kami eh.
Even though it's not morning.
You can sit at the back, Sam. Go!
Oh, I don't know how.
Hello! Wala, are you allowed? Just lift your feet up. Mainit. Ala! Wow! Kumakain sila, nagutom sila. Kung may dala ako na pagkain, wala na, susundan na nila ako. Dito guys, masarap dito picnic. Tingnan nyo yung ng itsura ng punong kahoy, oh. Maganda siya, para siyang umbrella style. Yan, tapos sisilong ka lang dyan sa ilalim ng puno. Ayan. Yung dalawa nagkukulitan. Daming puno. Tapos doon, kung makikita nyo yon, barbecuehan. Kahit sino pwedeng allowed na gumamit sa barbecuehan na yan. Lutuan yan, barbecuehan. Basta linisin nyo lang din pagkatapos gamitin. Yan.
Mama, me and Dad
You're
have
right.
rice.
So, yan yung lake, guys. Yan yung lake. Very nice. Ma-appreciate mo talaga siya all season. Yan. So relaxing. Nako, paano ba yan guys? Iniwan na ako ng mag-ama ko. Tayo na lang ngayon ang magkasama. Uwi na rin naman tayo. Malapit lang yung bahay namin. Dito yung lake. Yan yung lake. Tapos yung bahay namin is dyan sa may pangalawang poste na yan. Liliko ka dyan pa kanan. Tapos yun na yung bahay namin. Ito guys, nakaliko na tayo pa kanan. Malapit na tayo sa bahay. Yan, tatawid lang tayo ulit. Tapos, andito na tayo. Dito po ako nakatira. So, andito na ako guys. Nasa loob na ako ng bahay. At andito yung babae na iniwan ako sa ere. Mag-isa tuloy akong naglakad. Nakakalungkot. I was really sad.
I ran, Mom. I had to run.
Ren? She have to ren. Slang.
Run.
Well, anyway, thank you guys for watching our vlog today. And hopefully na-entertain ko kayo at na-enjoy kayo. Na-enjoy yung view ng lake. And yeah, there's a lot more to share and to show you guys here in New Zealand. So, it's Samantha's school holiday. It's going to be the longest holiday of the year. And we will be going on a holiday down South Island, and there are more nice tourist destination, tourist spot down in South Island that we can show you guys. Huwag po kayo mag-alala, ipapakita ko po sa inyo yung mga mapupuntahan po natin. So, thank you everyone, and thank you for watching once again, and have a good night. God bless. Bye!